This is Spikey, our almost 4-year-old corn snake. If I can just open his little tank up. Here he is. He's quite a large boy these days. When we first got him, he was a little noodle. Hello, Spikey. You all right, lad? He's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, he's got yellows and oranges and whites. And he's a very sweet little corn snake. He is. He's a good boy. And then we've got Noisy Bird, Dilly Bull Terrier, and Zippy, who's ready to go for his little walkies, are you? We off walkies? Hello? What are you doing? Are you up to no good? I think you are. You're going to say good morning to everybody. Say good morning. Pretty bird. Right, we're going out for Zippy's walk now. Oh, you've got a lot to say. You good girl. Kids have all just gone off to school. So it's Zip Vader's walkies time.